Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to change your Capital One credit card PIN in 2025. With cyber threats on the rise, keeping your PIN updated is a smart way to protect your finances and peace of mind. Whether you're doing this for security reasons or just need a refresh, I'll walk you through it step by step in under 2 minutes. First off, make sure you have your Capital One login details handy. The easiest way to change your PIN is through the Capital One website or mobile app, which is quick and convenient. Start by opening the app or going to the Capital One website on your computer. Step 1. Log into your account using your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a code sent to your phone. Don't skip this for extra security. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Settings section. Look for your specific credit card under the list of accounts. Step 3. Find the option that says something like Manage PIN or Security Settings. It might be under a submenu for your card details, just click on that. Step 4. You'll be asked to enter your current PIN for verification. Then, choose a new 4-digit PIN. Make it strong. Avoid obvious numbers like birthdays or 1234. Step 5. Confirm your new PIN by re-entering it and submit the changes. Capital One might send a verification code to your registered phone or email, so keep an eye out for that. And you're done. Your PIN should be updated immediately. If you encounter any issues, like if the option isn't available, reach out to Capital One's customer support. They're available 24/7. Remember, regularly updating your PIN is a simple habit that goes a long way in safeguarding your money. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.